Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Ever notice how some foods taste way better the next day? There's real chemistry behind why leftovers get more flavorful. Today, we're breaking down why time improves flavor, how molecules mingle, how textures change, and why certain dishes become richer and deeper after a night in the fridge. Stews get richer, curries get bolder, even chili somehow tastes more finished the next day. It's not your imagination. Many foods genuinely improve after resting because their flavors have more time to interact. When food sits, its flavor compounds, keep moving. Aromatics like garlic, onion, herbs, and spices slowly diffuse throughout the dish, blending into ingredients they hadn't fully reached while hot. Cooling also changes the structure of fats. As they solidify and then remelt when reheated, they distribute more evenly, carrying fat-soluble flavors deeper into the food. Meanwhile, proteins and starches continue absorbing surrounding liquids. This evens out the seasoning and creates a more unified flavor profile. A key note: chemical reactions don't stop when cooking stops. Slow, low-energy reactions, especially in soups, sauces, and braises, continue to develop complexity. Dishes with lots of aromatics, spices, or long-cooked components benefit the most from resting. If you want maximum flavor, make them a day ahead. Fascinating how cooling gives bitter compounds time to mellow out. That's why stews and sauces often taste smoother and less sharp the next day. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.